So we all know that some people pray before they eat their meal, right? Especially Christians or people that are of certain religions. When they're at the table or maybe even by themselves, they pray first. Well, did you know that praying before you eat or drink something puts your body into a parasympathetic nervous system state, which is also called the rest and digest state? And did you know that when we speak certain intentions or words over our food or even drink, that it can actually change the molecular structure of that food or that water? This has been proven scientifically. So the next time you sit down for a meal, whether it's with people or by yourself, say a prayer, give thanks, and see what happens to your digestion and how much you enjoy that meal. I hope this helps.